Curie literally changed science forever. Her story is one of genius, but also great personal cost.
Get this, even today, her original notebooks are so radioactive, you need protective gear to see them.
That radioactivity is so intense that even her coffin had to be lined with lead.
So, what did she discover that was that powerful? Let's walk through the timeline, step by step. Back in Poland, she couldn't go to university just because she was a woman, so she found a secret one.
Then, in Paris, she met Pierre Curie. They weren't just husband and wife, they were a scientific dream team.
And then, this discovery from Henri Becquerel that lit the fuse for Marie's entire life's work.
Her big idea? Totally radical. It meant atoms weren't solid little balls. They could actually fall apart. But was it just uranium? Nope. She found an ore called pitchblende that was way more radioactive.
And that's how she found them. Two totally new elements, polonium for her home and radium. They even came up with the name for it, radioactivity. A whole new field of science was born.
After all that work, you know how much pure radium they got? Just 0.1 grams. A tiny pinch.
And they got that from processing tons of pitchblende ore. Can you even imagine?
You know, the Nobel Committee tried to overlook her, but Pierre wasn't having it. He stood up for her.
So in 1903, she made history. Marie Curie became the very first woman to ever win a Nobel Prize.
But then, tragedy. Pierre was killed in an accident. Devastated, Marie just buried herself in their work.
She even took over his teaching job, becoming the first female professor ever at the Sorbonne.
And get this, she won a second Nobel, this time in chemistry, the first person ever to win in two sciences. During World War I, she put her research to work, creating mobile X-ray units right on the battlefield.
Her work is everywhere today. It's the foundation for nuclear physics, medicine, even cancer therapy.
But all that groundbreaking science came at a terrible cost. It was likely the radiation that killed her.
So her discoveries launched a brand new era, for good and ill.
It really makes you wonder, right? What is the true cost of progress?